Hi guys, here's Liege Neves from Traveling the World, and I'm about to share with you guys the first day of our journey through Amazon. So this company that we are going with to discover, to embrace the Amazon, they do have different tours, right? For a couple days or 4 days, 1 day. But this one specifically, we going for 12 days, all over, all corners we can see in this time in the Amazon. So you see in this first video a little bit about people's expectation, right? Some people want to look for jaguars, and some people are specialists in mammals and they want to see some different species. They want to put everything they've been seeing on TV or they work with, but in their natural state. There is a lot of specialists in this trip, and a lot of people from all over. Me and a couple more people, but the crew, of course, are Brazilians, and we're among very nice different nationalities, people from America, from different parts of America, Europeans, British, and you see people sharing a little bit what they are looking for, or what their dreams about Amazon becoming real in front of them. So keep it up with us. We'll share some tricks during this trip, what we learned, and we'll see you guys very soon. What I ask you, please, is if you like this video, thumbs up, share with your friends, add any comments, or please make any questions. Then we know exactly if we're going to the right place and providing the right information for people looking about Amazon. So I really hope to see you in the next videos. Bye-bye.